कुश्ती के बाद, Pooja, I just tried a few of these daw page here in this mitti ka akhada, and the one message that I feel that I should give it to Vinesh Fogart: don't lose hope. Kushti and Vinesh Fogart एक दूसरे की पहचान है. So don't lose hope. Don't give up. You are a fighter. You have come over different and difficult situations, different circumstances, and all the way you reached to Olympic, even qualified. Here, these wrestlers who have the source of inspiration, Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Fogart, have been inspiring us. And as we speak to all these wrestlers who are preparing for a better future, to win medals for the country, विनेश फोगाट के साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ है, अब वो कह रही हैं कि आगे वो कुश्ती से हार गई हैं. उनके लिए मैसेज क्या है इन पहलवानों की ओर से, इन अखाड़ों की ओर से? उनके लिए
सर मैसेज ये है कि विनेश बहन को अभी इतनी जल्दी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी उनसे भी बड़ी एज की जो लड़कियां हैं वो अभी मैदान में डटी हुई है, और उनको भी अगले ओलंपिक के लिए 100% अपना ट्राई करना चाहिए. और हमारी देशवासियों की सबकी ये दुआ है और हमारे अखाड़े की कि वो आगे और बेहतर करे.
कुश्ती आपके लिए सपना है या शौक है?
सपना है.
इस सपने में आपने देखी चुनौतियां जो विनेश फोगाट के सामने आई हैं, 100 ग्राम, और वो 100 ग्राम उसके सपनों पर भारी पड़ गए. इन चुनौतियों को देखते हुए क्या मन में हताशा होती है कि ऐसा भी होता है?
हाँ बिल्कुल, ऐसा लगा कि एकदम 100 ग्राम वेट के चक्कर में मतलब कि फाइनल में अगर वो गोल्ड भी ला सकते थे, तो इसमें शौक तो होता ही है.
लेकिन ऐसे में क्या कुश्ती छोड़ देने का फैसला सही हो सकता है? क्या मैसेज होगा विनेश फोगाट की ओर से?
मेरा ये कहना है कि कुश्ती छोड़ने के अलावा आप दोबारा ट्राई कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक के लिए आप जरूर 100% गोल्ड लेके आएंगे.
And even young and bright kids, the young wrestlers who are preparing on this mat, जब आप उस मैट पर जाने का सपना देखते हैं, तो फिर ऐसी तस्वीरें भी आई हैं जिसमें विनेश फोगाट के साथ जो कुछ हुआ है. घर वाले कितनी उम्मीद रखते हैं आपसे?
सर जी रखते हैं. अगर बंदा मेहनत करेगा तो घर वाले भी उम्मीद रखेंगे.
आपका सोर्स ऑफ प्रेरणा कौन है? स्रोत कौन है? आप किसको इंस्पिरेशन मानते हैं?
बजरंग पुनिया.
बजरंग पुनिया से क्या सीखा आपने?
दांव
पेच सीखे हैं. हाँ. वो दांव पेच ऐसा था कि विनेश कह रही हैं कि मैं कुश्ती से हार गई. एक यंग पहलवान होने के नाते विनेश फोगाट अगर आपको देख रहे हो, क्या मैसेज देंगे उनको?
कि इस बार तो 100 ग्राम से हारी है, अगली बार मतलब और मेहनत करे तो 100 ग्राम कवर हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक में जाना चाहिए.
नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक में प्रिपेयर फॉर नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक. और इसीलिए दो पहलवान हमारे साथ. एक वो दांव दिखाइए, वो कह रही है कि कुश्ती ने मुझे हरा दिया. एक वो दांव ऐसा तो है नहीं कि विनेश फोगाट को दांव नहीं आते हों, सारे दांव पता है. एक दांव इस यंग पहलवानों की ओर से ऐसा दिखाइए कि विनेश को ये इनकरेजिंग मैसेज जाए कि कम से कम हम हारेंगे नहीं, और जब कुश्ती अगर हरा सकती है तो हम कुश्ती को भी हराएंगे. हो जाए वो एक दांव. This is how the young wrestlers are preparing. They have a source of inspiration. The Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Fogart, all the Fogart sisters who have been playing over the years, preparing on this conventional mitti ka mat, and then going on the latest mat, playing with the international tournaments, international matches. But what has happened with Vinesh Fogart, indeed, it's a shocking, it's a heartbreaking. But the message that is coming from this home turf, from the ground, for Vinesh Fogart is: don't lose hope. You were a fighter. You have overcome from different situations. Be prepared for next time. Pooja.
Well, brilliant. I loved the Dow pitch you showed. And, Ashutosh, it's a reminder. Many wrestlers may have these technical, sophisticated equipments with them. For India, Kushti or wrestling has been an ancient sport. Since millenniums, we have been following it, connected to the land, to the soil, and then going on to the mat. Absolutely incredible, and perhaps a realization that it's not going to be the end either for Vinesh Fogart or for the sport of wrestling, because whether it's from Mahabharat or 2024, there will always be a mention of Kushti by our wrestlers on the ground. Nikhil Naz is now joining me from Paris because he's been tracking all that's unfolding. I can see, Nikhil, that it's still not yet over. She's appealed at the Court of Arbitration for Sports. But what are you expecting? Is there a likelihood still of a joint silver in this case? Will they budge? What are the rules like? Is there a hope at all in this? Nikhil?
Well, yes, indeed, there is a glimmer of hope because I can give you the exact minute detail. At 5 p.m. On Wednesday is where Vinesh Fogart and her team wrote an email to CAS, that is Court of Arbitration for Sports. Remember, usually CAS is a court that is situated in Europe, and they have all the hearings pertaining to sports. But during the Olympic Games, they have an ad hoc committee here to take some quick decisions if need be. And so she wrote to them, and within an hour, I believe she received a reply from Court of Arbitration, accepting her appeal. First up, she had actually asked them to allow her to compete in that final bout. At the time that she wrote an email, she said, there's still a good 4 hours to go for my bout. Please do my weigh in, and if I'm within the 50 kilogram category, allow me to participate in that final. To which Court of Arbitration had replied saying, no, that is not possible. We cannot change the rules for you. The final has been decided between two athletes, and that is going to go ahead as planned. But on the counter, Vinesh said, okay, if that is the case, then should I not get the medal that I deserved, considering that I participated with 50 kilograms on day one of the competition and reached the final. So I deserved a medal at the final. You can disqualify me for the final, but then I still deserve a silver, so I should be awarded a joint silver then. That is something that the Court of Arbitration of Sport has accepted, but they've asked for time. Usually they take about 24 hours, but we are expecting somewhere around noon Indian Standard Time, around 11:30 a.m. or noon Indian Standard Time, they are expected to reply back with their decision. If in the scenario they accept the appeal that Vinesh is appealing against and uphold it, in that sense you will have a scenario where a joint silver medal will be given to Vinesh. So that will of course be big news if that was to happen. However, they can also deny it, saying that rules are rules, and if rules were followed, we're not going to allow you to do that, in which case then she will have no other recourse left for her at the moment. There are precedents in the past that it has happened, not exactly in wrestling with this scenario. There was a Winter Olympic athlete that was caught for doping, but she later challenged it, and then her medal was restored. But if the Court of Arbitration of Sports was to agree to Vinesh Phogat, the IOC will have no option but to give her a joint silver medal. If the IOC is unhappy, they themselves have a recourse. They can go back to Court of Arbitration and appeal about it, and that hearing will then continue, and that medal can be taken away. But at the moment, if Court of Arbitration for Sports agrees to the plea made by Vinesh Phogat, then an immediate joint silver will have to be awarded to her.